What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CHA Racing. Today we're going to be doing a night event at Adams Motorsport Park. I think it's Adam or something like that. Motorsports Park. And we're going to do a night run, and we're just going to do a few sessions out there. I've never ran this course before, so should be pretty exciting to see. Yeah, let's see how we do. So this is session 2 of on this track. The first one, it was so confusing, man. It's so dark here. It's hard to see anything. But this is session 2. We're about to do a couple parade laps first, and then we'll I guess we're doing groups of 3, and then you do 2 hot laps. It's kind of confusing to me. I was a bit confused when I first started. Alright guys, so it got super late at the time attack event, but overall we did pretty good. The second time I went out there, I didn't have, or second session I should say, I didn't have as much traffic as I did the previous section. I think we had, hold on, I'll tell you right now. We had 20 cars out there. They were sending us out in groups of 4. The second time I went out, it was 9 people, and what they did was they split it up a little bit so it wasn't so many people on at a time. I ended up with the second fastest. My fastest time was 46.38. I did run into traffic a couple times, as you might see, and then they would rotate us around so that they would send me out first so that I wouldn't catch the last place. So this kind of a track was a little bit different than I'm used to. Usually we'll do like 20-minute sessions, and you just run for 20 minutes and then you get point buys to get around people. This place doesn't do that. They did kind of like a you get on the last event, I should say, it was 4 people out there, 3 or 4 I think it was, and they sent us out there, and they would let you do a half lap, and then you would cross the start stop, and then your time would stop. So then you would get 2 hot laps, and then once you pass the finish line on the end lap, you would then come into the pits. And so basically you got 3 hard runs, 1 half lap for just, I guess, warming tires and brakes or whatnot. But yeah, it went pretty well though. I like I said before, I got a 46.38 for my fastest, and one of the guys, he was in a Mustang, and he was in the group that they sent the faster guys, but because it was my first time, they wouldn't let me go with the faster guys. But he did a 46.05, and he did pretty well. I mean, it was a nice setup Mustang, but yeah, overall it was a pretty good event. It's a great course. It was very difficult. You can see in the video, it was very dark there, but yeah, overall, like I said, did pretty well after I learned the track and whatnot. But man, honestly, they need some brighter lights out there or something like that, because it was dark. It was really dark. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll probably be visiting that place again. I want to see if hopefully they have like a daytime event that I can go to and just go in there and do time attack at the day. But they do so many events. Their calendar is just ridiculous with just everything. It's got motocross, go-karts, drifting events, time attack, all kinds of stuff. But it's not bad. But yeah, hopefully we can get some more videos there. I want to try to beat the 46, hopefully 44, 45s. I don't know. It's a short course, but it's a very fun course. And there's no point that you're really straight on. So yeah, I want to see what we can do for our best time before we leave here, before I leave California. But yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and maybe consider subscribing. I appreciate that. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave any comments below if you have any questions about the event, or if you've been to the same course. I mean, it's pretty well known at this point, especially with Drift Week, like maybe a month ago. Yeah, they went to the same course, and it's great for the drifters as far as time attack. I don't know too many people who do the time attack there, but yeah, if you've been there and you got a personal best, post it down below. And yeah, stay awesome.
Riding in it, it's rented, dark tinted, white paint, white rims, no dark women, big pipes and loud smoke, we all squinting, all this gold on my chest, my team winning, pound sign, we doing whatever trending, Hermes on her bag and my belt.